Well, I just figured it was time. You know? Time that we try to be friends.
I love you guys.
Maybe I should go to New York and speak to this Spider-Man.
My God, Eddie.
You used to be one thing. Now, you're something else.
There are more of us. Millions more.
Finally. It was a shame so many had to die. No heroes to save it. Put on the mask. Become one of us.
I just want to say that whatever happens, that I am truly, truly sorry.
You did not find us. We found you.
I just don't want you to end up like me.